magical truck.
Jed, it is so hot today.
Yeah, want me to pour some water on you?
Don't. I can get rusty.
As you wish.
Kids, something happened in the woods. The pig needs your help.
On my way.
Pig, we need to call the pig.
Do you know how they speak?
Yeah, I think it says oink, oink.
Hey guys, why are you snorting?
We were trying to call you.
We don't talk like that anymore.
You don't oink anymore?
No, these days we just say oink. Why did you call me?
The wise tree said that you were looking for our help.
Yes, I do. Today is such a hot day and my favorite puddle is all dried up from the heat. And I have such delicate skin.
Pig, take us to your puddle.
Okay. See, this is my puddle. It's completely all dried up.
I'm going to fix it right away.
Wow, see? All dried up again. Oh.
Pig, why don't we build you a water pool?
A pool? But how?
I'll show you how it's done. Kids, it's time for me to transform. But what should I turn into to dig a pit? A steamroller, a truck, or an excavator? An excavator! Pick, I'm starting to transform. Jed, now I need to bring some rocks and lay them on the bottom of the pit so the water stays in.
Wow, it's so hard to make a pool.
Yes, it is not an easy job. It's done, and now we need to fill the pool with water. Jed, can you do it?
Sure thing.
Absolutely delightful.
Pick, what if the water dries up again?
To stop this from happening, we'll have to make a canopy. It's time to look into my toolbox. Hey, kids, let's find something to protect the pit from the sun. A bottle, a ball, or an umbrella.
An umbrella!
Thank you so much, guys. Now my skin will be moisturized.
Sure, anytime.
Guys, I see that you've done my bidding.
You bet. We made a pool for the pig so that she would always feel awesome.
That's super. I could use some refreshment on such a hot day.
Oh!
Oh! Actually, that's much better.
Hey, kids, in every one of my adventures, there's a little wrench hidden somewhere. Be on the lookout for it and see if you can find it. Goodbye.